Hello, I am here today going to show you how to make an apple cider. A lot of people that I know say they want to get into home brewing, and I always tell them, make this. This is an easy way to do it to see if you enjoy the hobby. This is something that you have set up that you can do easily by just throwing it in your closet, fermenting there, or do you actually need a fermentation chamber with where you live? Easy way to do it. Apple cider. I got all these things, all this apple juice at the store, and I'll do a walkthrough right now. Alright, I have a 6.5 gallon carboy. 5 gallon carboys worked fine. I just happen to have it, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to put 5 gallons of apple juice in it. This is Mott's is usually what I get, and if they're out of that, I usually get Treetop. Always have it say 100% juice on the front. And then another thing is check the ingredients. You should just have water, apple juice concentrate, and absorbic acid. Nothing more than that. Sulfur is really bad. So make sure that's all that is on it. I believe each one of these were $2, so 10 of them, it's $20 for 5 gallons of apple cider. I use Safe Cider. I got this from More Beer online. You can use Safe Ale, you can use pretty much anything. This just, I think, gives the best flavor. You have your bung filled with sanitizer, and then a funnel just to make apple juice into there easier, and then star sand because all this has already been cleaned. I don't need to show that part of the video. Alright, so the first step is to take the apple juice, put it in the carboy. Let's begin. All right, after you add 2 gallons, you can add the yeast. The reason for this is it helps agitate it into the apple juice. Also, as you pour it in, you're oxygenating the apple juice, so you have the right environment for the yeast to survive and multiply, and then ferment out the apple juice. All right, finish up the rest of these 5 gallons. Alright, 5 gallons of apple juice. Yeast is in here. Pick it up. Give it a good shake. Alright, giving it a good shake. Now it goes in the fermentation chamber. Alright, it's in the fermentation chamber. Add the bung. There you go. Wait a month and you have alcoholic apple cider. Really good. It's basically like apple juice with all the sugar gone and carbonated with a little bit of alcohol. Everybody loves it in my family. It's an easy way to do some home brew for your first time, and it always comes out delicious. Alcohol percent's around 3.8. That's what I usually get with those apple juices that I used. So that's how you make apple cider. Quick and easy way to do it. I hope you enjoy, and you try it yourself.